Tired of hitting refresh every time you save code? Let me show you exactly how to install Live Server in just 2 minutes, so you never have to manually reload your browser again. Here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through 8 simple steps. We'll find the extension, install it, and pin it to your toolbar. Just follow along and you'll be done in no time. All right, let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome. You probably already have it open, but if not, go ahead and launch it now. This is where we'll be doing everything. Now, look at the very top right corner of your browser window. See those 3 little dots stacked vertically? Go ahead and click on those. That's your main menu for all of Chrome's settings and tools. So once you click those 3 dots, a drop-down menu appears. I want you to hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. Don't click it yet, just hover. You'll see a little sub-menu pop out to the side. And here's the really important part. In that submenu, you'll see an option at the very bottom that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. This is the official place to find all Chrome extensions. And since this guide was built on Double with tested instructions, you know you're in the right spot. Now we're in the Chrome Web Store. See the search bar at the top center of the page? Click inside it and type exactly this, Live Server Web Extension. Make sure you spell it right so we find the correct one. Give it a second to process the search results. Great. Now you should see an extension pop up that's called Live Server Web Extension. Go ahead and click on it. This is the one we want. There are a few similar names out there, so make sure you've got the right one. All right, we're almost done. On this page, you'll see a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click it. Chrome might ask you for permission to install it, and that's totally normal. Just click Add Extension when the small window pops up. And that's it. You're done. Live Server is now installed in your Chrome browser. The next time you're working on a web project, just click the puzzle piece icon in your toolbar, find Live Server, and turn it on. From then on, every time you save a change in your code, your browser will refresh automatically. No more breaking your flow, no more manual reloads. Happy coding!